Now, what is required next is these two functions, very, very, very important functions. We'll be using them in VLOOKUP also, the joining text and then concatenate. So what we need to work upon is how do we add two texts together? Or apart from text, it helps us out in adding a lot of things. So let's say we have a text which is Shiva, Excel, and Batch. There are three texts in three different cells. I need to add them together to write a text known as Shiva joined Excel Batch. The word joined is also not available for us. So what we can use two things. Either we can use an AND or you can use concatenate. Concatenate is a function which is inbuilt, and is the ampersand sign which we have to put manually. So let's see how we do this. We'll start with Shiva. Let's start with AND. So add Shiva and you need a space between the word joined. So we need to put that space, quotes, space, quotes. So it is Shiva and the space. Two things have come. Now again the AND sign. That is the problem with AND. Every time you have to add, you have to keep adding AND. Now we need the word joined. Now since the word joined is not there, I'm typing this up. Again AND. Then again we need a space, because if I don't put a space, this word Excel will club with this join. Excel. Oh, sorry. And space. And we need to put an AND. Excel. Again a space. Now let me not put a space and show you what will happen if I don't put a space. Batch. Hit enter. You'll see Shiva join Excel Batch. Now here Excel and Batch are together because we don't have a space running in between. So if you put a space in between and put an AND sign which is missing, you'll get a property. Now why this is important for your apart from the other places where we are going to use it, and we look up and things, multiple lookup. This is important if you are writing some text which you need to work upon, like an EPS thing. The EPS of company is greater than company B based on whatever outlook. So then you have to join the text where you can use this AND sign. And other way of doing it, and since they are all linked to cells, instead of Excel, if you like FATP, you see this changes to FATP. Next way of doing it is using concatenate. Text 1, Shiva, and here you only need to use comma. Everything else remains same and is replaced by a comma, which is little easy to do. Space, comma, space. Where have I missed it? Okay. Since I have not put a space in here, so it was not showing space. So you can just work it out. Why it is giving us E15? I have not. So this is how we can join the text.